Hello friends, how are you doing? This is Unique English. Today we are going to learn about certain expressions or phrases used to express about emotions and stresses. ስሜታችሁን ለመግለጽ ስትረሳችሁን ለመግለጽ የምትጠቀሙባቸው ነገሮች ናቸው እነዚህ because we are emotional creatures አይደል? ስሜታችን ሁሌ እንገልጻለን፣ ስትረሳችን ሁሌ እንገልጻለን. These are very important. Okay, let's see. I'm freaking. But see, I'm freaking out.
I'm freaking out.
Say?
I'm freaking out.
I'm freaking out.
I'm freaking out.
So, ፈርቻለሁ። አረ ደንግጫለሁ ነው ፈርቻለሁ ምናምን ስትሉ I'm freaking out ነው የምትሉት። For example, የሆነ ነገር አለና ዱላ ምናምን እንደ ደወልኩና hello ሲሳይ how is the situation? but the situation እንደ ነው ብሎ I'm freaking out. People are fighting, right? So, I'm freaking out means I'm shocked. I'm what? I'm shocked or I'm scared. I'm what? Scared. ፈርቻለሁ ደንግጫለሁ ስትሉ ምንም ትሉት I'm freaking out. Say it again.
I'm freaking out.
Say.
I'm freaking out.
ለምሳሌ ተኩስ ምናምን ድምጽ ብትሰማና ምናምን ስለውራ I'm freaking out. People are fighting. People are killing one another. Right? Do you understand me?
Yeah.
I'm freaking out. So say it again.
Freaking out.
All right. ስደነግጡ ይችላሉ እንግዲህ እንዳትረሱ። ደንግጫለሁ አረ ፈርቻለሁ ምናምን ስትሉ እቺን ትላላችሁ ማለት don't forget it. Right? You know, like when you apply እንደዚህ ነገሮች ወደ ተግባር ስቀይሯቸው ቶሎ ትለምዳላችሁ። እስቲ እቺን I'm pumped በርሲ pump ታውቃለህ? pump I'm pumped በርሲ what do you mean by I'm pumped? ውሃ ሞልቻለሁ ተሞልቻለሁ ገፋ ማድረግ ውሃውን እሺ I'm excited ጓጉቻለሁ ስትሉ ጓጉቻለሁ ምንድነው ጓጉቻለሁ I'm excited or I'm pumped ስትሉ በአንድ ነገር ጓጉታችኋል ቃ መረጃው ተሞልታችኋልና ያን ነገር ለማየት ወይ ምናምን ብቻ I'm pumped. Say I'm pumped. Say it again. When is the holiday አልኩ መቼ ነው በአመት በዓሉ መቼ ነው በዓሉ አልኩ አይደል I think it's on Sunday. I'm pumped. All right? Say I'm pumped. All right. የዚህ ሀገር ፕሬዝዳንት ወደ ኢትዮጵያ የሚመጡት ከ3 ቀን በኋላ I'm pumped to see that guy. I'm pumped. Say I'm pumped means I'm what? Excited. ጓጉቻለሁ ሰፍ ብያለሁ ስትሉ I'm pumped or I'm excited. Right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yes.
አሁን ያንተ ቪዛ ተመቶልሃል ፍላይት ከ3 ቀን በኋላ ነው ስለዚህ አሁን አንተ ምን ትላለህ ማለት ነው I'm pumped. I'm excited. Right? Do you understand me?
Yeah.
I'm excited. All right. ደስ አለው ከልቡ ነው ደስ ያለው the visa issue ይላል Okay, interesting. I'm losing it. Say I'm losing it. ምን ማለት ነው I'm losing it? What do you mean by I'm losing it? All right? ጨንቆኛል እኔ በቃ ጨንቆኛል ተወጣጣሪያለሁ ስትሉ ምንም ትሉት I'm stressed. I'm what? Stressed or I'm losing it. Say I'm losing it. Hey man, what's going on? Hello, how's it going? I'm losing it. Say I'm losing it. Say it again.
I'm losing it.
I'm losing it. I don't know. I'm losing it. So I'm losing it means ምን ማለት ነው? I'm stressed ማለት I'm stressed. I'm losing it. All right? Okay, interesting. I'm losing it. Say it again. እኔ ግን እንደው ተወጣጥሬያለሁ እንደው ደህና አይደለሁም ስትል ምን ነው የምትለው? ደህና አይደለሁም ሰሞኑን እንደው ደህና አይደለሁም ስትል ምን ነው የምትለው? በባለፈው ነግራችኋል I have been better. አሁን እቺን ስትፈቷት ደህና ነኝ ብሎ ነው የሚፈታ አብዛኛው ሰው I've been better. Of course ከዚህ በፊት ደህና እንደነበረ አሁን ግን ደህና እንዳልሆናችሁ ነው I've been better. በርሲ የሆነ ነገር ሆኛለሁ ደህና አይደለሁም ብቻ ምናምን ስትሉ I've been better. Hey, how are you? See? I've been better. I'm losing it. I've been better. I'm losing it. ብቻ ደህና አይደለሁም I'm not doing okay. Understand? I have been better. Say I have been better. እቺ ደግሞ አጠር አድርጋችሁ እንዴት ታደርጋላችሁ? I've been. Say I've been better. I've been better. See? ቀጥታውን ሲተረጉሙት ምንድነው? ደህና ነኝ ነው አይደል? ደህና ነበርኩ ነው አይደል? በሌላ አባባል አሁን ደህና አይደለሁም ነው። እየተባባል ነው አይደል? አይ ደህና አይደለሁም ብቻ ደህና አይደለሁም ጥሩ አይደለሁም ስትሉ I have been better. How are you brother? ለምን አልኩ? ጨንቆኛል I'm losing it. Say I'm losing it. I've been better. I'm losing it. I don't know. Why I'm broke? I'm chista. I'm broke. Say I'm broke. So when people say I'm broke, so many times ነግራችኋለሁ ምንድነው I'm broke ማለት? Which means I am broke means I don't have money. ቺስታ ነኝ ነው። እስቲ አንድ ላይ ያይዘን እናገር እስቲ All right, how are you? አልኩ
I have been better.
I've been better. ጥሩ አይደለሁም፣ ደህና አይደለሁም። What's up?
I'm losing it.
I'm losing it. ጨንቆኛል. Why are you losing it?
I'm broke, bro.
Because I'm broke. And then የዛ ምን አልኩ? So what? እናስ አልኩ። እናስ ምን ይጠበስ? ምን ይሁን ስለ so what? All right? Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. So what? ስጠኝ በለኝ.
Can you get me, man?
Some money? Can you give me some money? You must be kidding, man. Right? You must be kidding. እየቀለድክ መሆን አለበት ስለ you must be kidding. በለኝ እስኪ.
You must be kidding.
All right. You must be kidding. ኧረ እየቀለድኩ አይደለም በለኝ እስኪ. I'm not kidding.
I'm not kidding.
እኔ ከልቤ ነው በለኝ. I mean it.
I mean it.
ባለፈው ነግሬሃለሁ እኮ. I mean it. Say I mean it.
I mean it.
ከልቤ ነው ምሬን ነው ስትሉ I mean it. በል እስኪ.
I mean it.
I'm serious.
I'm serious.
Yeah, interesting. All right, that's so beautiful. Okay, so let's see. I'm losing it means I'm stressed. ጨንቆኛል ስለ I'm losing it. I don't know what to do next. I've been better these days. All right, do you understand me?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm broke. Okay, interesting. Okay, let's see number. I'm down in the dumps. I'm down in the dumps. But see,
Down the dump.
what does it mean? I'm down in the dumps means ከፍቶኛል ስትል ምን ነው? I'm down in the dumps. Say I'm down in the dumps.
Down the dump.
Why are you down in the dumps? Why are you sad? I'm sad about I'm down in the dumps, man. Okay. Why are you down in the dumps? Lemon.
I'm broke, bro.
I'm broke. So what? So what?
I need some money.
You need some money.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. No worries. I'm loaded with money. All right. Okay. You know the meaning of I'm loaded with money. You know the meaning of I'm loaded with money. And so I'm loaded with money. ካለ ምን እያለ ነው? Loaded ነው ጭነት ነው አይደል? I'm loaded with money. I'm rich እያለ I'm very rich. Right? I got a lot of money እያለሽ ማለት ነው። Understand again? Isn't that እኔ እኮ yes I'm loaded with so I'm down in the dumps. ስለዚህ ሰው ከከፋው ምን ይላል ማለት ነው? ከፍቶኛል አዝኛለሁ ሲል I'm down in the dumps. Say it again.
I'm down the dump.
I'm down in the dumps because I'm broke. Right? Because I'm broke. I'm down in the dumps because I'm broke. That's so beautiful. When are you down in the dumps? መቼ ነው የሚከፋ? Now I'm down in the dumps.
I'm down in the dumps when I don't have money.
Yeah, I'm down in the dumps when I don't have money. ገንዘብ ሳይኖር ሲቀር ይከፋኛል። ሌላስ? I'm down in the dumps when
My girlfriends.
when my girlfriend insults me. ስሰድብህ. I'm down in the dumps when my girlfriend insults me. ሌላስ? ትሰድባለች። ሌላስ? መከራ ነው። እሺ ሌላስ? I'm down in the dumps when my mother is in a bad mood. Yes or no? Okay, interesting. I'm down in the dumps when I procrastinate. Yes or no? ስራ ለነገ ስል ይከፋኛል. Yes? Is that okay? Okay, interesting. ስለዚህ down in the dump ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? መከፋት። ስለዚህ ከፍቶሃል በሉኝ እስቲ ለኔ ከፍቶሃል።
You down in the dumps.
You're down in the dumps. You are በል እስቲ you're በል እስቲ ይኸው እንደዚህ you're down in the dumps. In the dumps. You're down in the dumps. ምን ነው በለኝ እስቲ what's up በል እስቲ
What's up, bro?
what's up ማለት እንዴት ነህ ለማለትም ይሆናል ምን ተፈጠረ ለማለትም ይሆናል you're down in the dumps what's up ስትለኝ I'm broke. All right, interesting. Okay, ስለዚህ I'm freaking out የሚለውን ፈርታል በለኝ እስቲ ለኔ
You are freaking out.
you're freaking out what's up በለኝ እስቲ you're freaking out what's up በለኝ እስቲ
You're freaking out. What's up?
you're freaking out what's up ምን ነው ፈርታል ደንግጠሃል ምናምን ነገር okay በጣም ጓጉተሻል you're pumped በለኝ እስቲ ሰርከ
You're pumped.
you're pumped
You're pumped.
all right okay ተጨናንቀሃል
You're losing it.
you're losing it I am የሚለውን you are you're losing it say you're losing it
You're losing it.
all right you're losing it what's the problem because I'm broke I don't have anything in my pocket everything is getting more expensive than before yes or no interesting let's see you're down in the dumps what do you say you're down in the dumps say it again
You're down in the dumps.
I'm over it ምንድን ነው I'm over it እኔ ከዚህ በኋላ አልጨነቅ ከዚህ በኋላ እኔ ዴንታ አይደለም አልጨነቅም ስትለው I'm over it በቅቶኛል ማለት ነው I'm over it ብለሽ
Over.
በቃ በቅቶኛል ያልጨነቅም እዚህ በኋላ which means I don't care I don't care anymore I don't care any ከዚህ በኋላ እኔ ምንም አይነት ጣጣ የለኝም ዴንታ የለኝም I don't care anymore ስለዚህ I'm over it ብለሽ I'm over it
I'm over it.
say it again
I'm over it.
I'm over it means I don't care anymore Yeah, I'm over it. Don't worry. I'm over it. See, don't worry, but see?
Don't worry.
I'm over it. Say, I'm over it, but see?
I'm over it.
Don't worry, I'm over it, right? I'm over it means I don't care anymore. Because you want to care anymore. I don't care anymore. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I'm over it. Say it again.
I'm over it.
Say,
I'm over it.
I'm over it. I don't care anymore. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Very good. And then?
That blew my mind.
Blow ma. ይሄ blow ነው እንደዚህ blow ምንድን ነው blow ማለት መንፈስ ለንፋስ ለምሳሌ the wind blows from east to west from north to south ላሏል የሆነ ንፋስ ሲነፍስ blow ይባላል አይደል እንደገና blow your nose ካለ ደግሞ እንደዚህ ይሆናል ተናፈጥ ነው blow your nose okay don't blow your nose in front of me okay very good okay yes past tense blue ነው ሲነበብ blue ሳይሆን ሲነበብ ልክ blue color እንደሚለው that blew my mind በለሲ say it again that blew my mind means ምን ብሎኛል ገርሞኛል ተገርሚያለሁ ስትል ምን ነው የምትለው ማለት ነው it amazed me it what amazed me it amazed me or I am amazed it amazed me or I'm what amazed ገርሞኛል አስገርሞኛል ስትሉ ምን ነው የምትሉት ማለት ነው it blew my mind say it blew my mind say it again የሆነ ሰው እኮ አለ በሰከንድ እኮ ብዙ ማትማቲክስ እንትን የሚሰራል አይደል የሆነ ተረት የሆነ ነገር ስቶሪ ነገር ብነግራችሁ oh that blew my mind if I say ከሌ የተባለ ሰው እኮ በቃ የዓመታዊ ትርፉ እኮ በቃ $1 billion ነው ብለ that blew my mind I heard about it I heard about him ሰምቻለሁ that blew my mind አስገርሞኛል ስለዚህ አስገርሞኛል ስትሉ that blew my mind that blew my mind አስገራሚ ነው that's mind blowing all right yes or no that blew my mind do you have a question here ጥያቄ ያለው እዚህ ጋር ያልገባችሁ ነገር አለ ወደ ሌሎች እንሄዳለን stay with us so beautiful expressions ማመጣላችሁ ወዴትም እንዳትሄዱ all right እስቲ ናምቡት ሲ I'm on cloud 9 በልሲ
I'm on cloud 9
በል
I'm on cloud 9
what do you mean by I'm on cloud 9 I'm on cloud 9 የደስታ ጣራ ላይ ነኝ ኦኬ
ፈንጠዚያ ላይ ነኝ
ጮቤ ረግጫለሁ በቃ ይወቂ መጨረሻ ደስተኛ ስትሆኑ when you are extremely happy you say I'm on cloud 9 today yeah I'm on cloud 9 today because I'm with my family yes or no so when you are on cloud 9 which means ምን ማለት ነው I'm extremely እጅግ በጣም ደስ ሲላችሁ ነው I'm on cloud 9 የምትሉት ማለት ነው say it again I'm on cloud 9 let me know the time you're on cloud 9 in your life when were you on cloud 9
when I graduated my first year
okay I was what is it
I was
on cloud 9
on cloud 9
during my graduation day let's see I was on cloud 9 during my graduation day graduation okay my graduation day all right during my graduation ማለት ይችላል okay I was on cloud 9 during my graduation right okay እንዴ አለቀስክ ምን ያለቀስክ it was a feeling all right እሺ በቃሽ እሺ ሲቺን ነው ማባት that heart breaking heart ሳይሆን heart በልሲ that's heart breaking በልሲ ምን ማለት ነው that's heart breaking አሳዛኝ ነው ትላለህ አይደል ልብ ሰባሪ ነው አሳዛኝ ነው ስትሉ that heart breaking that's very sad that's what very sad that's very sad for example እንደዚህ ብትል ማለት ነው አንተ ማለት ነው ልብ አድርግ that's heart breaking for example if somebody said that my father passed away all right during በመቼ ጊዜ my graduation day yes or no that's heartbreaking yes or no ቢልህ የሆነ ሰው አንተ ምን ትለዋለህ I'm sorry that's heartbreaking ልብ ሰባሪ ነው that's heartbreaking የሆነ ነገር በጣም የሚያሳዝን ነገር ሲገጥማችሁ በጣም ልብ ይሰብራል በጣም ያሳዝናል ስትሉ that's heartbreaking say that's heartbreaking say it again
that's heartbreaking
okay በካር አክሲደንት እኮ ይሄን ያህል ሰው ሞተ ብለህ I'm sorry, that's heartbreaking. Yes or no? That's heartbreaking. Say, that's heartbreaking.
That's heartbreaking.
Speak up እንደገና.
That's heartbreaking.
That's heartbreaking. That's heartbreaking. I'm sorry, that's heartbreaking. Very good. Okay. እስቲ ቺን ነገር ደግሞ እናንብባት።
Chill out.
Chill out. ቺንማ ታውቋታላችሁ እኮ. Chill out. Life is too short. Right. Chill out, man. Life is too short to be sad. Okay. So what do you mean by chill out? Relax. ፈታ በል በለኝ እስቲ። Chill out ነው የምትለኝ. All right. For example, ምን ትለኛለህ? Hey, what's up, brother? Okay. ስለዚህ ሲሳይ ምን አለኝ መሰለህ? Chill out. በል እስቲ.
Chill out, bro.
Chill out, bro. Chill out, brah. Chill out, brah. አልከኝ አይደል? Chill out. Today is your birthday. አይደል እንዴ? Your what? Birthday. Today is your birthday. Chill out አለኝ። ምን ማለት ነው? ዛሬ እኮ የልደት ቀን ነው። ተዝናና ፈታ በልበት እንጂ ምናምን ሲለኝ, hey bro, yeah, chill out. Today is your birthday. Chill out. Life is too short to be sad. Yes or no? So to chill out means to relax. What does it mean? To chill out means to relax ማለት ነው። ዘና ፈታ ምናምን ማለት ነው። Okay. And are you good at relaxing?
Yeah.
Are you good at relaxing?
Yes.
All right. Do you chill out every day, man? Man, do you chill out every day? How do you chill out? እንዴት ነው የምትዝናናው? እንዴት ነው ፈታ የምትለው? I chill out by በምንድን? How do you chill out?
I chill out by drinking.
By drinking.
Yeah.
All right.
Drinking.
ያዝናናል እሱ ተው እሺ how do you chill out? I chill out by dancing. I chill out by dancing. የሱ ይሻላል ኢኮኖሚካል ነው ጤናም ነው right ጭፈረው ይሻላል okay interesting all right that's so beautiful okay ስለዚህ chill out ምንድነው ፈታ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ የሆነን ሰው let's chill out ካላችሁት ምን እንበል እያላችሁት ነው ፈታ እንበል let's chill out today right understand relax እናድርግ ፈታ ዘና እንበል እያላችሁት ነው ማለት ነው okay እስቲ I can't deal with it say I can't deal with it ለምሳሌ አሁን ጧት ከ12 ሰዓት ተኩል ቢሮ መግባት አለብህ ብዬ ስትለው ሞከርከው ነው የሆነቀን ማሪ sorry I can't deal with it ከዚህ በላይ እኔ አልችልም በቃ ከዚህ በላይ አልችልም ስትለው I can't deal with it I can't handle it anymore do you understand me I can't deal with it say I can't deal with it yeah it's too hard I can't deal with it which means I can't handle I can't handle it anymore any ያንን ነገር መሸከም ማትችሉ ከሆነ ከዚህ በኋላ እንደዚህ ያንን ነገር ነው ዲል አላረግም ስትሉ I can't deal with it say I can't deal with it is that okay yeah. I can't deal with it sorry because it's hard to be here at 6 in the morning yes or no at 6:30 in the morning I can't deal with it now can you look for another person please do you understand me
yes
ስለዚህ አለቃችሁ ለምሳሌ ስራ ገብታችሁ ሁሌ ምናምን እሺ ከምሽቱ 3 ሰዓት ነው የምትወጣ ቢልህ ሞከርከው ከዛ መረረ ሲል hello boss I'm sorry I can't deal with it I can't deal with it it's hard for me to stay here up to this time yes or no yeah. I can't deal with it say it again I can't deal with it say እቺ ናምባቲ I'm swamped በሲ swamp ምንድነው ረግረጋማ ቦታ ነገር ይሄ የሚውጣችሁ ነገር swamp ይባላል swamp I'm swamped ስትሉ you have a lot of responsibilities you have a lot of tasks to be done you are too busy I'm swamped ማለት ነው I have many things to do ማለት ነው I have many things which means I'm busy I'm what very busy በጣም busy ስትሆኑ ብዙ ነገር መስራው አለብኝ በቃ በስራ በጣም ተውጫለሁ ምናምን ስትሉ I'm swamped ለምትሉት all right ልክ ረግረጋማ ቦታ ያላችሁ አሁን እስከዚህ ቢውጣችሁ አይደል ልክ እንደዛ አይነት ነገር ስራ ሲበዛባችሁ ማት ስራ ምናምን በዚህ many tasks ሲኖር I'm swamped. I have many things on my plate. Do you understand me? Yes. I'm swamped. Say it again.
I'm swamped.
Are you swamped?
No.
You have many things to do. Are you swamped? Are you swamped? Yeah, you're swamped. Yes. These days, these 3-4 days actually. All right. I'm swamped. Say it again. I'm swamped. Sorry. I can't talk to you because I'm swamped. I will call it later. Okay? Interesting. Okay. I'm very busy. ለምን I'm very busy አንልም ሙሉ ጊዜ እንዴ ቮካብላሪ ቀይር ይሰለቻል እኮ አይደል እንዴ Okay, what about these things? I'm drawing in work. Drone, በልሲ drone ምንድነው? Drone. What do you mean by drone? Drone. ምን ማለት ነው? አላዛር drone መስመጥ ምን ማለት ነው? መስመጥ ለምሳሌ የሆነ ሪቨር ወንዝ ውስጥ እንደዚህ ይዋኘ ስትሰምጥ you are drowning, all right? እየሰመጥክ ነው ማለት I'm drowning in work ነው የሚለው አይደል? በስራ ሰምጫለሁ ማለት you have many responsibilities, many tasks to be done. ብዙ ስራ አለብኝ በቃ በስራ ተውጫለሁ በቃ ስራው በስራ ነው ተውጭ ተከብቤ ያለው ስትሉ I'm drowning in work. Say I'm drowning in work. Sorry, I can't talk to you now because I'm drowning in work. Yes or no? አለቃን አገናኘ ብለህ I'm sorry, he's drowning in work. Can you give him a call later? Yes or no? Okay, interesting. ስለዚህ I'm drowning in work means I have what? Many works. Many what? I have many things to do, or I have many works, or many jobs, or works. All right? To do. Yes or no? To do. ብዙ ስራ ምሰራው ስራ አለብኝ። በስራ ተከብቤያለሁ። በስራ ተውጫለሁ ስትሉ I'm drowning ነው የምትሉት። I'm drowning. Say I'm drowning. በነገራችን ላይ እቺ ሰብጀክቷን እኮ መቀየር ይቻላል አይደል እንዴ? I'm on cloud 9 የሚለውን እሷ በጣም ደስ ብሏታል ስትል she's on cloud 9. እሱ በጣም ደስ ብሏታል he's on cloud 9. እነሱ they are on cloud 9. እኛ we are on cloud 9. So you can change ማለት ነው. All right? I can't handle with it የሚለውን እኔን ከዚህ በላይ ልቆቆም አልችልም፣ እዚህ በላይ ላደርገው አልችልም በቃ ስትል she can't handle with it. He can't handle. እንትኑ መቀየር ትችላለች ሰብጀክቱን። I'm swamped በጣም ቢዚ ነች በለሲ she is swamped። እሱ he is swamped። እኛ we are swamped. All right? እዛም ላይ እንደዚህ ሰብጀክቱን እየቀያየራችሁ ማውራት ትችላላችሁ። These are top 12 expressions or phrases used to talk about your emotions and stresses. They're really important. I just want you to try to, like use them in your daily conversational English. This is Unique English, where you can learn English uniquely. Come and join us if you want to make your English more beautiful than before. Thank you again.